Rear knuckle replacement on the ND Miata, as easy as possible. Take off these 10mm bolts off the top, and then you're going to need to take off the ABS sensor and the end link. And you only need to disconnect the bottom end link, by the way. And on the left side, there is also a sensor thing that you need to disconnect. You're going to need a 10mm wrench with a 10mm socket. So then you need to take off this hub right here, and you'll need to use a 3/8 ratchet to get that off. If you use a 1/2 ratchet, it will be too big and you won't be able to get in there. See, the head is too big. But anyway, if you can't get that off, you can just remove the whole hub and then you can take it off after, which might be easy depending on how tightly yours is stuck. Now, there is an order to take it off correctly. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then when you put it back on, you're going to need to fit this in there. And then you're going to need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it will be really hard unless you do it in that exact order. So next you need to tighten up those bolts. This is going to be 55 foot-pounds on all of these, including the rear one there. All the same bolt. They're all 55 foot-pounds. These bolts are going to be 95 foot-pounds. And then this bolt is 100 foot-pounds. Then back it off. Then go 200 foot-pounds. And then you are good to go. Put all your stuff back on.